Hello friends, welcome again to the class on consumer behavior. In this class, we can start with the interdisciplinary nature of consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is not an independent discipline. The ideas, principles and theories of consumer behavior are heavily dependent on many other disciplines such as psychology, sociology, anthropology, economics, etc. We can look at these one by one. At first, consumer behavior and psychology. Under the discipline psychology, there is an area of study known as consumer psychology. Consumer psychology is the study of why people buy things. This includes the study of the individual as well as the individual determinants in buying behavior, namely the consumer perception, learning, memory, attitude, self-concept, personality, motivation, and the decision-making process of consumers, etc. Psychologists try to find the underlying cognitive processes taking place in the minds of consumers, as well as the external stimulus which convince people to purchase certain items. Marketing executives are very keen to know the findings from these studies because they know that these findings can help them in formulating their marketing strategies. Thus, psychology is closely related to consumer behavior. Another discipline which has an impact on consumer behavior is sociology. Sociology is the systematic study of society, pattern of social relationships, social interactions, and culture that surrounds everyday life of consumers. This includes the study of groups as well as the group dynamics in buying behavior, lifestyles, values, social group influences, etc. Sociological factors have a great impact on consumers. The affiliation of the person in any of the social groups determines his behavior as a consumer. In sociological explanations, the humans are observed as social beings whose behavior affect the environment in which they live and work. Thus, sociology helps in analyzing social behavior of consumers. Another discipline which affects consumer behavior is anthropology. The anthropological approach focuses on the influences of culture and society on the individual consumer's behavior. Anthropology studies the influence of society on the individual, namely the cultural and cross-cultural issues in buying behavior, national and regional cultures, etc. These studies are also relevant in consumer behavior analysis. And another important area that has a direct effect on consumer behavior is economics. Economics studies the relation between income and expenditures. This is the study of income and purchasing power, and it has a direct impact on consumer behavior. Economics says that when resources are limited and needs and wants are unlimited, consumers make use of certain selection methods to take the final purchase decision. While formulating marketing strategies, these economic theories will help marketers in assessing the rational decisions of consumers. Now, the importance of consumer behavior can be examined. We have already seen that the study on consumer behavior helps marketers in formulating business strategies. Now we can look at these areas where consumer behavior is relevant. The first point, the study on consumer behavior helps to differentiate consumers. Consumers are different in nature, preferences, attitudes, perception, culture, income level, education, etc. The consumption pattern and demand for the products are mainly dependent on these differences. Each consumer and each group of consumers are different, and the study on consumer behavior is essential to know the behavioral aspects of them. This helps marketers in setting target groups of consumers with the same or similar behavior. When the marketer is knowledgeable about these differences of each group of consumers, he can design separate marketing programs. Second point, retention of consumers. Consumer behavior is important not only to attract new customers, but it is very important in retaining existing customers as well. When a customer is happy about a particular product, he or she will repeat the purchase. Therefore, marketing the product should be done in such a way that it will convince customers to buy the product again and again. This can be done only by understanding the consumer's buying behavior. The third point, consumer behavior helps in designing relevant market programs. Marketing programs include the distribution and promotion strategies of the marketers to create and increase demand for the products. These programs should be developed based on the nature and type of consumer groups. You might have noticed that the advertisements of school bags and umbrellas are usually given along with TV cartoon programs. This ensures that the advertisements reach at the target groups. Marketing programs such as offers, discounts, advertisements, personal selling, etc. are to be formulated after analyzing consumer behavior. A study of consumer behavior enables the marketers to understand what motivates the consumers in purchases. The fourth point, consumer behavior helps in predicting market trend. The study on consumer behavior helps marketers in understanding the market trend. These trends can be seen in almost all products like fashion clothing, ornaments, cosmetics, school bags, and even in electrical and bathroom fittings. Consumer behavior analysis will help marketers in identifying and even in predicting a shift in market trend. Recent trend of consumers shows a positive move towards organic vegetables and green products. Even the electrical appliances companies equip themselves to extend their market by introducing eco-friendly and green products. By conducting consumer behavior study, a company saves a lot of resources that might otherwise be allocated to produce a product that will not be sold in the market. The next importance is in the field of competition. Competition is a situation where two or more companies struggle to capture and increase the market share for their own products. Generally, competition is considered as a challenge to marketing companies. However, the companies which have proper understanding about their consumers and their behavior can convert this as an opportunity to get more consumers. Here the companies who realize consumer expectations can develop marketing strategies accordingly and can enjoy the competitive advantages. The next importance is in innovation. The consumer behavior studies helps to innovate new products. Companies consistently strive hard to improve the success rate of their new products or new ideas. One of the most important ways to succeed here is to conduct a proper study on consumer behavior. Such studies can easily advise the companies regarding the suitable products for the targeted group of consumers. Next point, the study on consumer behavior helps to improve customer service. Different groups of consumers require different levels of consumer service. And understanding the differences within the customer base will help companies in providing most appropriate service for their individual needs. For this purpose, the study on behavior is essential. Different groups of consumers require different levels of customer service. The marketer should be able to understand these differences, and he should be capable of providing such personalized services to each and every customer. Proper study on consumer behavior will enable the marketer to give such personalized attention to his individual customers. Now we can look into the various application areas of consumer behavior. Studies on consumer behavior are applied in many marketing areas. Now we can have a look at the main application areas of consumer behavior. The first area is environmental analysis. Environmental analysis is done by marketers to identify opportunities and threats in the environment. The knowledge on consumer behavior can be applied in environmental analysis. For marketers, the opportunities may be in the form of new customers or new markets. Sometimes the study may find out some unfulfilled needs and wants of consumers. Thus, the study helps marketers in finding out new areas of business. Such opportunities can be effectively utilized by the companies if they have proper studies on consumers. Similarly, the threat is because of uncertainty in the environment. Environmental uncertainty occurs due to complexity and dynamism. Complexity discusses about various factors in the environment, their role and relevance, and also how these factors are related to each other. Dynamism relates to how quickly the changes take place in the environment. Study on consumer behavior can deal with these issues and help the companies in formulating suitable strategies to survive and grow. The second area where consumer behavioral studies can be applied is in segmentation, targeting, and positioning methods. The study of consumer behavior can be applied to segment the market, select the target market, and position the product or service. All of these strategies help marketers in surviving and succeeding for long term in a changing environment. In the case of market segmentation, marketer classifies or segments customers into different groups based on their descriptive characteristics and behavioral dimensions. The descriptive characteristics may take forms of age, gender, income, occupation, religion, nationality, social class, etc. The behavioral dimensions take forms of benefits, uses, usage rate, loyalty status, etc. All these, the descriptive characteristics and behavioral dimensions, are the study areas of consumer behavior, and therefore the study can effectively help marketers on this behalf. In target marketing, the marketer selects one or more markets to concentrate the marketing efforts. Such targeted segments should be viable, and this selection is possible only with the study on consumer behavior. And next is positioning. Positioning the product means placing it in the mind of consumers. Positioning is possible only when the consumers accept the product as their own. This requires well-studied, reliable information on consumer needs, their tastes, preferences, and expectations. Only through consumer behavior studies, the marketer collect this valuable information regarding consumers. Consumer behavior studies can provide this relevant information to marketers. The next application area is designing the marketing strategy. Marketing strategy is to be formulated with a view to influence consumer behavior. At the same time, it is to be finalized after considering behavior of consumers. Consumer behavior is the outcome of the interplay of cognition, affect, and behavior. Cognition is the knowledge base of consumers. Affect is the feelings of the consumers, such as likes, dislikes, etc. And behavior is the action of buying or not buying the product. These three factors, cognition, affect, and behavior, have impact on consumer behavior. Knowledge of consumer behavior is essential to develop suitable marketing strategies to attract consumers. Then another application is in designing the marketing mix. The study of consumer behavior may be applied to design the 4 P's of marketing mix, such as product, price, place, and promotion decisions. Consumer behavior studies analyze the effect and impact of these marketing mix decisions and help the marketers in finalizing the price strategy, product strategy, place strategy, and promotion strategy. Any decision taken by the marketer without considering the behavioral aspects of consumers will be a failure in the market. So far, we could see different application areas of consumer behavior in marketing. And in addition to marketing, the consumer behavior studies can also be applied in governmental policy formulations. The knowledge of consumer behavior finds relevance even in governmental and social marketing areas. Consumer behavior studies help governments in preparing policies and programs for them. Proper understanding of the behavior of people is necessary for the successful implementation of social programs. Okay, we will have further discussions in the coming classes. Thank you.